Okay, so it is March 18th, 2023. It's about 7 p.m. And here's the Heil heat pump running in heat mode. It's actually about 35 degrees out right now. It's not getting frozen. $1996 2-ton Heil heat pump. It's got a roll compressor, believe it or not. Air is pretty nice, pretty powerful actually. Not nearly as powerful as my Goodman, but still really nice airflow. And here's the Carrier base model, which was running earlier. And the Goodman and the Bryant, which have not been running. Yeah, so these are the 4 heat pumps here. And we have 6 straight cool units over here. That's a straight cool unit. And that's a straight cool unit too. Actually, you know what? Here are these units right here. It's 98 Janitrol, or Goodman. 2019 Comfort Maker, which I've actually never filmed running because this thing hardly ever runs. And then we have a 2021 Root unit. They're not smashed up against each other anymore. I fixed it. But yeah, here's the 2021 2-ton Root unit. And here's the 2016 one, which I actually caught starting up 3 times now. Oh, that actually scared me. The Carrier turned on. And we have the 2 2018 Root units. This one still looks like it's in mint condition. It's just a bit dirty, but it doesn't look as aged as even the 2021 Root unit. This one still looks like it's in better condition. But yeah, 2 2018 Root units, 2016 Root unit, 2021 Root unit, and 2019 2-ton Comfort Maker, and the 98 Goodman still remains. Yeah, so the Carrier fired up. Here it is. It's running. As you can see. I've filmed this unit start up many times. It's from 2007 as a 2-ton, down to 96 as a 2-ton. And this Goodman's from 2012, and this Bryant's from 2018. All of these units are 2-tons. Tappan unit. Yeah, so this Tappan is from 2003, and it's a 2-ton, and has a Copeland scroll compressor. And 2017 Root unit, which I filmed running on Christmas Day a couple of years back. Or no, Christmas of 2021. So pretty much Christmas like a year back. Yeah, wish me luck on actually catching some defrost cycles. Because I've waited and waited and waited for units to go into defrost, they always end up shutting off on me. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in the next one.